limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps reviews. Today we have a review, not so much an unboxing, and this is something different. And you know what? Instead of the usual sport-related New Era hat that most people are accustomed to, we got something different. Katz Famous Delicatessen. Yes, Katz Famous Delicatessen in New York City. And that is the cap theme. You wanted something different, there it is. Known as the best since 1988. And this came in the form of a New Era cap. Now we got two different colors here. Let's take a gander at both. So let's do a zoom in here. Katz Famous Delicatessen, 1988. Anybody ever eat at Katz's Famous Delicatessen? It's a deli in New York City. Highly rated. It's one of those places that, it's on TripAdvisor and all those touristy websites that you want to visit when, if you're into food, if you're a foodie, as they say, and you want to make the trip there. So this is one of the best delis in New York City. And this is presented by FamousThinking. If you want caps like these and non-sport related caps, shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com. Free shipping USA, shipping worldwide. So there is a little plug-in for that. See the cap, they have that kind of like that celebrated look. You see that in some of the New Era caps, depending on what they are or the theme. So Katz, which one do you like better? So this one is actually the lettering stitched into the hat. This one has more of a little bit of a patch right there. This navy one. So you got a navy and an olive color. Let's examine the rest of the cap. So this New Era, it's kind of like a plastic type feel. It's not really stitched in per se, like the navy one here. That's gold, the gold type of stitching. New Era insignia. Them's a little bit different. So there's a side shot in all of its glory. Look at the cap. Snapback we're working with, 950. It's a classification. Navy, same thing. It has these little two, I'm not even sure what these are in all honesty, but they're part of the cap. It's not like a Velcro either. A little bit of a side shot here. Katz Delicatessen. There's the location. The graphic, and you have the bottom of the cap. See the graphic there. And you have a polyester, both are polyester, and both are 950. So, what do you think of these? This is, like as mentioned, this is not your typical sport New Era hat. It has to do with food. I mean, New Era caps make a lot of different type of styles, not just sports. Movies, TV, everything else in between, including touristy attractions, every such and such. They range nicely. So if you enjoy this content, please subscribe. If you want to purchase anything like this, free shipping USA in the description. Take a look. Thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.